two wires P and Q have the same resistance. Wire Q of material is made of material that is twice the resistance of the material used to make wire P. So rho Q is equal to 2 times rho P. Okay, specific resistance. Diameter of the wire Q is twice the diameter of wire P. So immediately I'll write radius also. Okay, RQ is equal to 2 times RP. What is the ratio of length of wire by length of P by Q? Okay, so towards it, what do? We know RP is equal to RQ, which is already given. Okay, same resistance, and we know that R is equal to rho L divided by A. So making use of this, I can now write rho P LP divided by AP is equal to rho Q LQ divided by AQ. Okay, now let me substitute all of them. I'll just retain this rho P LP divided by pi RP square, and this should be rho Q is, what is rho Q? Rho Q is 2 rho P, 2 rho P, and LQ I do not know. I'll write LQ here divided by pi into what is RQ? RQ is 2 RP, so this should be 4 RP square. 4 RP square. Now let me simplify this. And now what I have, so rho P goes away, RP square goes away. So what do I have here? I have LP divided by pi, pi also goes away, pi also goes away. LP is equal to 2 times LQ divided by 4. So this also goes away. Then what is required over here? We required length of wire P by length of wire Q. Length of wire P divided by length of wire Q. From here, this should be equal to half, right? So this should be half. Answer is